Hey everyone, it's Karen with Detroit Sewn. Today I was reflecting on the fact that for all of my clients who actually come into the factory, most of those people will be in Michigan, although we do get some from surrounding states in Canada. When they come in, we hug each other. We hug each other hello, and we hug each other goodbye. And you might be wondering, why in the world does that matter? Well, it matters because when you are working with an apparel manufacturer, it's a relationship. It is a real relationship that the two of you are creating. So you and your contact person, whether they have a director of sales, or a smaller factory like ours where you're working directly with me, we really get to know each other. We talk to each other, we trust each other, and we really build that up over time so that when we do see each other, it's a joyous occasion and we're happy to see each other and we're happy to move forward with the next step of a project or a new project. And that's just something I want you to really think about, because you should have a goal to have that sort of a personal relationship with your manufacturer. You don't want it to be just a transactional sort of a thing. You want to know that your manufacturer cares about you and about your brand and about your products. So as you go around meeting with factories, or even, if you're talking to them on the phone, doing a Zoom, pay attention to the way the conversation is going, the warmth, the transparency, the willingness to talk and to know you and not just get your money. This is how you create long-term success with your factory, and at the end of it all, it'll help you so that you don't waste your money. I hope that helps.